how do I train VAs to only list products? What do you mean to only list? What, as in they... Basically, you just train them to list products. So the way you train a VA for Etsy listings is you write an SOP, so a standard operating procedure. You write a document of how you do it, and then you do some little videos of how you do it, like do a little tutorial of how exactly you list the product. You show them that. You slowly build up their tasks. So right in the beginning, you'll get them to select the images once they understand that. You get them to write the titles. Once they understand that, you get them to write descriptions. You slowly build up their tasks to the point that they're completely independent. That's basically how you train a VA, right? It's the same way you'd get taught in school. You get taught the basics, the foundational stuff, then you get taught on top of that, 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 top of that. Yeah, makes sense? But training VAs is not necessarily hard. As long as you've got good VAs is more the hardest part, right? Like if you've got a decent VA that's pretty good, then you'll do okay. You'll do okay. You'll do okay. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.